Kimley's paddling.
Look at this, Daddy.
She's spinning us.
Can you make an X?
Kimley's spinning us like 360 degrees here.
Felt here. I need a snake. Are you sure you still want to do it, Kim?
Yeah.
It takes a lot of strength.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Ooh.
You gotta be like, you have to do Euro training.
Euro training.
Painful memories. Kim, let me do one side.
Okay. You giving up now, Kim? No, get back here.